Oh, okay, we ready? Okay, we got an intro. We thought that today we would show you the differences between Canada and America. The first one is we have better hairstylists. Okay, so I had me boy. You all have met Eric. Hi, Eric. Okay, so they want us to make one big dollar here in the States. I mean, here in Canada, eh? I know it's pretty sexy. I let me boy do it. You remember me boy, right? Hi, Eric. Okay. Alright, so the differences between us Canadians and them Americans. Mr. Oh, fuck, I don't even know what color y'all are now. I don't even think you all know what color you are now. Hey, look at us. We're white. Yeah. But if you come to Canada here, one of the biggest differences you'll find is, well, the first one being some of us are smart. I know. I'm one of them smarter ones. Okay, something else that's different between us Americans, us Canadians and them Americans is we don't drink that American beer Canadian. I know. You know what our favorite beer is? It depends on what's left over in the bottle in the morning that doesn't have a cigarette butt in it. Okay, I know. Alright, yeah, I'm from Canada. And a few other differences between us is we're smarter. And we got better hairstylists. Oh, and we got better beer. Although for some reason they call one of their beers I Am Canadian, but we're not so sure about that beer. I mean, we used to have that beer, but we drank it. And if you've ever met a Canadian, you'll know they like to drink their beer, not like them American neighbors. I mean, I've had a couple of outings with them, and I'll tell you what, they always end up underneath the table. But that's because they see us Canadians coming. So stay tuned for part 2 of what makes a Canadian better than an American. You know what I think it is? We got a higher IQ. But that's as only as we can spell the word IQ. I mean, it's like that word it. They keep saying, spell it. What do they mean, spell it? IT. I spelled it. But, I don't know. Stay tuned for further announcements from the Canadian Broadcasting Corporation. Sue's living room.